Hello and welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. There is an in-depth article to go along with this video. The link is in the description. Did you know Microsoft Entra can require users to accept your terms of service before they access Microsoft 365 resources? If they decline, they won't be able to get in. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up. I am starting at the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. For Conditional Access, open Terms of Use and select New Terms. Let's give it a suitable name and upload the PDF. Choose English United Kingdom, then enter the display name. The second name is what the users will see. I am requiring the user to expand the agreement before accepting it. Consent on every device is staying off for this demo. You can also set the consent expiry and pick how long. Under Conditional Access, choose the custom policy and click Create. Then we will set up the Conditional Access policy to go with it. Give the Conditional Access policy a clear name. For this demo, I'm just targeting one user and not a group. Next, open Target Resources and choose Office 365. This covers all Office 365 services such as Exchange Online and SharePoint Online. Now, under Grant Access, let's search for what we created earlier. Now I'm going to test what we've just put in place and sign in with the user. Now, instead of opening Microsoft 365 immediately, the user is stopped by the Terms of Use requirement. The agreement can be expanded and read directly in the browser. Because the policy requires the document to be expanded, the Accept button is not simply available before the agreement has been read and opened. Select Accept to record consent and continue. This YouTube video is sponsored by TechSource, who are a MSP and reseller and offer a wide range of services that cover everything from cybersecurity, Microsoft licensing, hardware, and much more. Now let's go back to Conditional Access and check any accepted or declined, and we can see all the different stats. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.